Good morning, students. How are you, everybody?
We are fine.
Okay. We had one class on suffixes and prefixes. Okay. And then in the previous class, we came to know about what suffixes and prefixes are. Okay. But today, we want to have some examples of suffixes and prefixes from you. Okay. Make it sure that you know them and you can make sentences or words with these suffixes and prefixes. Okay. So I am going to put some questions before the class. Your task is to grab these questions. Okay. Okay. My first question is there anyone who can give one or two prefixes? Okay, Hasib.
There is a prefixes like re.
There are prefixes like re
and pre.
Pre. Can you make words through these prefixes?
Yes, re like refresh, restart.
Restart. Okay, make and one or two sentences.
We can tell that I refreshed my computer.
Okay, you refresh your computer. Okay, and then another one.
And by predict,
return.
We can tell that predict.
Predict. Scientists predict that 1/3 of our country will go underwater.
Yes.
Okay, in 10 years or 15 years. Okay, so we have got two prefixes with two example words and sentences from Hasib. So looking for another two prefixes. Another two prefixes. Okay, Anaf has raised his hand. Anaf, can you provide one or two prefixes?
Yes, sir. At first, that is en.
En.
Yes, sir.
En.
Like engage.
Engage, enlighten.
Enrich. Then
Enrich.
enable.
Engage, enrich, and enable.
Yes, sir.
Okay, make one or two sentences with these prefixes.
For example, with the word enrich.
Enrich.
By reading book, it enrich our vocabulary.
By reading books, we can enrich our vocabulary.
Yes, sir.
Okay, then another one.
Engage. For example, engage. He is engaged with different kind of co-curricular activities.
Okay, is engaged with different kinds of co-curricular activities. Or I love to engage myself in study. Another one can be. Very good. So we have come to know again two more prefixes. Looking for more prefixes. Yes, Anam has raised his and Anam. Give us two prefixes.
So the two prefixes are dis and nor.
Dis and nor. Okay, make two words through these prefixes.
Sir, be normal in exam.
Okay, be normal in exam. So we should not be abnormal in exam. How can we become abnormal in the exam? By looking at other scripts. Okay, following unfair means in the exam. Okay, one example. Can you provide another example?
Sir, there are some students whom always disturbs in the class.
Okay, there are some students who always make disturbance in the class. Okay, very good. And looking for more prefixes. Looking for Ajim. Okay, Ajim, what are the two prefixes you can give us?
We can use more prefixes. For example, IR. That can be irresponsible.
Irresponsibility. Irregular.
Example sentence like he is an irregular student.
He is an irregular student. N. Okay, vowel sound should be
he is irresponsible in studies.
Inner studies.
And another example can be like il. Illustrate.
Illustrate. Okay.
Or illuminate.
Illuminate. Okay.
Let's illustrate the topic.
Let's illustrate the topic. Okay, very good. More prefixes. We have more prefixes. Yes.
So we can use
in.
Like invest.
Invest.
Inflate. And the sentence will
invest and
inflate.
Inflate. Okay. Inflate the balloon. Okay. Then
so
provide example.
So be careful about not to overinflate the balloon.
Balloon. Okay. If you do it, then what will happen?
It will blast.
Yes. Balloon will burst. Okay. Then another example.
Another one is in. Like
Impossible.
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 Or import.
If we don't study seriously, it will be impossible for us to make a good result. Okay, very good. Looking for more prefixes. So many prefixes actually. Okay. Yes. What are the two prefixes you can add?
Yes, sir. First is anti and
Which one?
sir, anti.
Anti. Anti means against.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
then
And next one is miss. Sir,
Miss.
Yes, sir.
Okay, then
Okay, sir.
two words. Can you make two words?
Yes, sir. Like the antidote, the scientists are made the antidote of corona.
The scientists have made
So, antivirus.
antivirus. Okay,
We
antivirus.
should update regularly our
Antivirus
device.
software. Antivirus software. This is the very good one. Which one? Which is the another one?
Sir,
Anti and then
some misjudged.
misjudge. Okay, misjudge. Miss is the prefix and misjudge. Then what can be the example sentence?
So like, please don't misjudge with me.
Please don't misjudge me.
Yes.
Direct object. Okay, please don't misjudge me. Okay, looking for another. Thank you very much. Be seated. Looking for more prefixes. Okay, you.
Sir, uni.
Sorry.
Uni.
Uni. Okay, uni.
Yeah.
Word.
Uniform.
Uniform.
Universe.
Universe.
And sentence.
Sentence.
Universe. I want to go to universe.
You want to go to universe. Our universe is so vast that it is unimaginable to think what the area of the universe. It is unimaginable, really. Our universe is too vast. Okay, too vast to know about its area. Okay, then another one.
Uniform.
Uniform.
We should wear our uniform.
School uniform. We should wear our school uniform. Very good. Uni is one prefix and another one is
No.
nor. Okay. Can you make one word with nor? No word nor. Anyone who can make one word with the prefix nor? Northern. Northern. Yes. Anyone? Nor. Yes, Anaf. Anam.
The road curve to northward.
Northward. Okay, very good one. The car was, I drove the car towards northward. I drove the car towards northward. I drove the car towards northward. Very good. Anaf, Anam has contributed one word. Okay, looking for more prefixes. Yes.
We can use co.
We can use co.
Yes, the word cooperative.
Cooperation, then cooperative, then
Coordinator.
coordinator, then
For example, there are two coordinators in our school.
in our school. Okay, then
The teachers are cooperatives.
teachers are cooperatives. Okay, another prefix
That's a sub.
sub. Okay, then
Such as submarine.
submarine. Any example?
This,
Give one example sentence.
If we are a submarine engineer, we can go.
Or can be subcontinent.
It's a subcontinent.
We belong to Indian subcontinent.
Yes, sir.
Okay, subcontinent. Okay. So looking for more prefixes. Thank you. Looking for more prefixes. Shesh finished? Yes. Okay. So now we can go to deal with suffixes. There are other prefixes also. Okay. But you know how to deal with them. You need to know them, their meaning. You have to convert them into words and sentences. Okay. Now it's time to deal with suffixes. Okay. Let's take a small break. Welcome back, student. Now we are going to explore some more suffixes. Just a moment back, we talked about prefixes and the way prefixes can be used with example words and sentences. Now we are going to deal with suffixes. Okay, again we are I am looking for someone who will let the class know about two suffixes with example words and sentences. Okay, who can come first? Okay, Ajim.
So some examples like.
Okay, first let us know what is suffix.
The suffix are those words.
Or syllables?
Those
syllables or letters.
Which is added at the end of the word.
After the word or at the end of the word. Okay, then can you?
For example, able.
Able.
We can make words like comfortable.
Comfortable.
The seat is very comfortable.
Okay.
Another suffix can be like ion.
Ion.
Like situation.
Situation.
The situation is dangerous.
Okay, and these two suffixes have two different functions. For example, the suffix able can make only adjectives. Okay, and tion, Sean, which one? The next one you have said?
Situation.
Situation. Ion is used to make noun words. Have you got the point? These two suffixes have two different functions. So we have got two words and their example sentences. And at the same time, we have come to know their functions of these suffixes. Very good, Ajim. Thank you very much. Be seated. Then looking for two more suffixes. Two more suffixes. Okay, you. What is your name? Your name is? Sadiq. Okay, Sadiq. Let us know two more suffixes.
Tion.
Tion.
So like congratulations.
Congratulations.
Sentence. Congratulations, you won the game.
Okay. Congratulations. I congratulate you. Okay. Can be one and then another one.
So IB.
IB. Okay.
So relative.
Relative. Then example.
So you are my relative.
You are my relative. Okay. So number first one. Which is the first one? What was the first one? Congratulations. And TION. And its function is to make noun words. And IB's function is to make adjective. Okay. And then looking for next two. Anaf.
Sir, ness and OUS.
Sorry.
Ness.
Ness.
For example, kindness.
Kindness.
That happiness.
Happiness.
We should show our kindness towards poor ones.
Towards poor ones. Okay. And then
That OUS.
OUS.
Dangerous.
Dangerous.
He's very dangerous person.
He is very dangerous person. Okay. One OUS is used to make adjective and ness is used to make noun. Okay. You can see suffixes have their own function. So these suffixes you can use, you can make different kinds of a part of speeches. Okay, next. Yes, Tamid. Next one.
The first one is AL.
AL.
Musical.
Musical.
We can play the game musical.
Okay, the poem is very musical. And then another one.
Another one is IAL.
IAL. And both the suffixes are used to make adjective. Okay, then what is the example
The
sentence?
word is financial.
Financial.
Residential.
She is suffering from financial crisis. This is residential institution.
I'm a residential student of UPSCJ.
EPSCJ. Okay, looking for another two. Yes, Tasbir. Tasbir raise his hand.
We can use something as a ly
LY.
or y.
Y.
For example, y happy.
Happily. LY.
No, sir, y only y.
Only
Y sir, y.
Y. Okay.
Sir,
Happy.
sunny.
Sunny. Okay. Happy. Y here. The function is to make noun. Happy. Sorry, adjective. Happy. Okay. Happy. Then another one.
Sir, ly friendly, kindly.
Happy adjective. Sorry. And then example.
So for example, the teachers are friendly.
Teachers are friendly.
The day is sunny.
The day is sunny. Okay. Looking for two more example. Yes, you.
So I have one example, two examples, full and ing.
Full.
Truthful, we can say.
Truthful.
Truthful and beautiful.
Beautiful. They are adjectives. So full is used to make adjective. Then
Sir, then ing. Sir, they are playing
they are playing.
and I am studying. This.
I am studying here. Ing is making continuous tense. And full has made adjective. Okay, be truthful. Truthful person. And then ing is working. Okay, looking for two more examples. Yes, Anam.
Two more examples are ism and is.
Ism and is. Okay, then.
The words are criticism and meaningless.
Which one? Jure, raise your voice.
Criticism and minimize.
Criticism? What's that? Capitalism? Capitalism is the modern political economic system. Another one?
Minimize.
Minimize. Then what is the example?
I minimize.
I try to minimize my mistakes. Okay, I always try to minimize my mistakes. Another example, Sinan?
And suffix is DOM.
DOM. Okay.
For example, it is kingdom.
Kingdom.
Wisdom,
Kingdom, wisdom. Example, sentence.
An example of kingdom is there once lived a king in a kingdom.
In a kingdom. Okay, king is supposed to live in a kingdom. Okay, wisdom.
And an example sentence of wisdom is the old man was very knowledgeable and had a lot of wisdom.
Okay, very good. And then another two examples, suffixes. Okay, nishat.
So one example is meant.
One example is
Meant.
MENT, meant.
Development.
Development.
We have to need more development in your exam.
Okay, we need more development in our area.
Yes, sir.
Okay, another
one is less.
less
Helpless.
helpless. I became completely helpless.
The person is very helpless.
Helpless. And both, meant is used for making noun, and less is used for making adjective. Helpless person. Okay, yes, Asif.
So two suffixes are er and est.
EST.
EST makes the
Superlative degree.
Superlative degree.
And ER is to make comparative degree. They all are adjective. Okay.
ER like he is happy. He is happier than him.
Okay.
Or
He is happier than them.
them. Or
I am the happiest person.
I am the and in EST I am the happiest person. Or they are in the safest area.
Safest area. Okay. Very good. So any more suffixes?
Two more are hood.
Okay. Hood.
Word is childhood or brotherhood. The sentence is, in my childhood I didn't know about you or science.
Okay. But in your childhood you didn't know much about science.
Yes.
Okay. Then another
Then
one.
another is ED.
ED.
The word is worst. I watched your video.
ED. Then what is the example sentence?
Worst.
Worst. EST.
Worst.
EST.
Yes, WATCHED.
Which one?
So worst. So worst.
Shudu ed worst.
Yes, sir.
Ed worst is the root word, and then ed in order to make adjective and be2 form or B3 form of the verb. Okay, any more suffixes? Okay, we have come to know many suffixes, but there are lots of other suffixes surely, and you know how to deal with them. You need to know how to use these suffixes in words, and then you can definitely know, you should know how to use words in sentences. Okay, and at the same time you have come to know the functions of these suffixes. Okay, by the uses of these suffixes you can convert one type of part of speech into another type of parts of speech. That's all for today. Thank you everybody. Thank you very much.